Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV.
The 2026 Salem Hemisphere 321DRL, where comfort and style come together for the perfect getaway. On the exterior, you'll find dual power awnings, a large pass-through storage compartment, and an outdoor TV, perfect for relaxing evenings at the campsite. Inside, the rear living area offers dual reclining chairs, a tri-fold sofa that pulls out into a bed, a cozy fireplace, and a large entertainment TV, giving you a true home-away-from-home feel. The kitchen is fully equipped with a 4-burner range, oven, microwave, residential refrigerator, and plenty of counter space, plus a dining table and chairs for meals or morning coffee. Up front, the private king bedroom features a large closet with washer and dryer hookups and easy access to a spacious bathroom with a walk-in shower, vanity, and linen storage. Designed for comfort, built for adventure, the 321DRL is ready to make your next trip unforgettable.
Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.